What is up, my robot army? Welcome to episode 3 of Enter the Gungeon, I believe. Yeah, last we left off, we were playing as the hunter and made it to the second floor. So, let's just... Oh, boy. Oh, shit. Oh, why can I not shoot now? Oh, man. I'm out of practice already. It's been less than a week. This is a series I might not be able to just... Oh, son of a biscuit. Oh, my gosh. Ooh. Just die. Holy crap. Okay. Yeah, no, this is a series I might not be able to just do what I want here. Come on, doggy. Can you find me something? No? Dang it. Oh, I might lose this right now as soon as we start. And that's no justice to the hunter. Because the hunter is so damn good. There it went. Oh, come on. Alright, well, we're going to try that again with the hunter. Because that was a complete crapshoot. Damn it. That's alright. Though I did want to get further. Alright, let's go. Back to this one again. I cannot hit this to save my life. What the heck? Alright. Let's begin. What the... There he is. Weird place for you to pop up, but okay. Oh, look at you. Hi, puppy. Yeah, save for later. Move! Oh my god, there's so many! Alright, I need that half heart. Oh my gosh! Okay. Die, 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 die. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, no! Come on. Oh, I hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. Come on. I was doing alright before. This is also a lot of damn enemies. Holy crap. Okay, let's just head to the left. Oh, well, hi. I don't want you yet. I need a little bit bigger of a gun. Okay, here's a gun. What? Someone loses an eye. Oh, here we go. Alright. Oh, you've got to be joking. Alright, keep going. Oh, you... Aren't you a little biscuit? Boop, 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 boop. I cannot aim. To save my life. Oh, I need that. Just die. Okay, so now we go this way. Whee! Anything in that room? No, my dog didn't pick it up. That's okay. We will go... teleport there. And down this way we go. Oh, boy. I don't think so. Oh, look. He's here. Good, good, good. He's got a key for me. Mahogany. Get it? It's mahogany. Pretty sure we ran into it last time, and it's still funny. Right, guys? Please laugh. Real quick before I continue forward. Yeah, I think I'm almost done with this floor again. Bop, 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 bop. Ooh, a key. You ain't doing that. Oh, okay. Hi. All right. I guess we got through that. Oh, I want this chest. The Way of God. What is that? Okay, one moment. Oh, sorry. I just got done playing Sekiro, and that's on an Xbox controller where the buttons are reversed for me. Alright, transform into a powerful weapon under mysterious circumstances. This bullet sprite will transform into an enormously powerful radiant energy weapon under certain circumstances. Traditionally, this means showing proficiency in bridge delivery and maintenance. If no bridge is available, however, it will take less important things like courage or determination into consideration. What? Okay. Don't know what that means, but okay. Teleport to here. Is there anything? I do want that. Meat bun. I could nab up this key to go into here, but I don't like that treasure chest there. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to save my stuff and hope for the best. Oh, wait. How much is this, though? We'll do it. Okay. I'm trying to learn to use my blanks. And I do need to use them. So who do I face? Bonnie and Clyde, basically. Oh, shoot. I didn't switch my guns. Oh, no. Well, that worked. Neat. Key, heart, and a banana. That's funny. Alright. Were you selling anything else, my guy? I don't have anything in there, I know. I got 2 keys, and that's it, yeah. So we'll just continue on my way. It's fine. Damn. Alright, let's just keep going. That didn't take nearly as long as it usually takes me to get through. Usually it feels like forever for me anyway. Oh, reloading. Reloading. And jump in. Ah, the Nintendo Switch. Love the console. Truly do. But you have to admit, it is a glorified tablet. But on a tablet, normal tablet, I can't really say anything because on probably a normal Android tablet or anything like closer to that, probably not. You might be able to do it with a jailbroken iPad, but like maybe you can run an emulator. I don't know why I'm still using this gun. Oh. Well, he dropped down in the pit of abyss. It's fine. Oh! Oh my gosh! What the heck? Wait. This is busted. Oh, dang it. It switched back on me. We'll go with Shade's Revolver again. I like that a lot. It always throws me off when it does it, though, for sure. Oh. There we go. Whew. This gun's putting in some work for me here. Wow, so many hearts. A full heart. Ghost bullets. I'm gonna continue just going. I do want to see what the crossbow does a little bit, because you know what? Before I completely kill myself, one of the earliest examples. Okay, that's all right. Oh shit. Or just die again. Okay. What's this path? Whoa! I didn't know that was a thing. So how do I... You know, I was supposed to look up the mirror, and I was supposed to look up this door. I didn't do either. I didn't do either of them. So where do I get the key? Give me the key. Oh, well. We'll just continue forward. What's this? What? Do nothing. Yeah, because I don't have anything to offer, right? Okay, so what the... fine. I'll figure it out when I get there. Oh, I hate cavern jumping a little bit. Oh, boy! Doggy just run into it, I guess. Well, we'll start with the crossbow. Even though it's probably a bad decision. Maybe not. Oh, boy. That's the boss. I forgot to change back up. Oh, damn it! Damn. Okay. We will... We'll see if we can get through floor 1 again. Well, depending on loading times. Oh my gosh. Let's just show off the marine a little bit, shall we? It's pretty simple. You start with an armor, you can get ammo. All around, he's just kind of solid. I used to play as him. That's when I was learning how to play. I played as him more because I was getting hit a lot more than I am now. Which is surprising, isn't it? Alright. Let's see if we can get through this. Bam, 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 bam. Huh. These things have... It feels like as soon as I got to the second floor here. Okay, whatever. Cheese! Is there anyone in here? No, it's just for the secret passage, which I don't really want to go down this time. Woo! 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 And anybody? Oh, there you are. Save that for later. I want to go north. Okay. Sorry, I went silent here. I'm... Oh, I went into kind of concentration mode. Well, there's the boss at the very least. Look, it's a bird. Wait. I need to pay attention a little bit more. There you go, buddy boy. Alright, I'll go to the him later. For now. Oh boy. Alright, yeah. Just continue this direction. Dang it! Well, if this has taught you anything, kids, always, and I mean always, wear your helmet. And soak in all the rewards. Gosh. I was hoping not to get hit, but oh well. That was an easy room. Man, hey, look at that. That's a thing. Okay, well, we're just actually going to... Because I'm not opening any chests yet. We're going to go here. Oh, we might get through this. Might, I think, like 100% I think we are. Ooh, armor again. And I gained my helmet back? Okay. 10 out of 10. Alright, so my options for... My options for the treasure chests are 2 blue. That's fine. Alright, so I can get a bunch of blanks. I've got a full heart in here. There's a mustache. And I could buy a key. Which I might do. This is... yeah. What? How much is the mustache? 45? I need the key. Alright. So, with that being said, we're gonna go to this box. Open it. That's a good one. And we're gonna go to this box. Because I do need these. What is that? The unseen hand. Okay. So, first off, big bazooka gun is going in there. Memories, reload speeds, and weapon accuracy are higher. I didn't know the reload speeds. That's actually really good, too. Now, the unseen hand. All projectiles can be guided after they are fired. These tiny engines can be controlled remotely, allowing the wielder to change trajectory at will. What? That's interesting. Legit. Okay, one more check. You don't have another gun for me. You have armor, which I don't really want, and you have a mustache that I cannot afford. So, let's just teleport again. Depending on which one this is, it's a different bird. Oh no. So when you get deeper into the Gungeon here, does it change the rooms up, including the boss rooms? That honestly scares me. Oh, I missed. Okay. Oh, son of a... Oh, bit... Oh my god. I don't know if I'm gonna make this one. Oh, no. Okay. We're gonna call this episode here. Next episode is actually more than likely gonna be the last episode of the series, so it may be a little longer because we're gonna continuously go until I meet this screen again. So many uhs in my freaking speech today. But that being said, please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, do all the good stuff. I believe I've got a series planned for next week, which is all good. So, but if you don't do any of that, at the very least, remember to stay wacky out there. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.